take a look at restricting users in Dataflex link. Under the Dataflex link menu, we've got restricted users here. And we'll see if anyone is in this list here, they will be added to a restricted list. Let's take a look to see how that works. So on the front end, I'm not connected yet. I'm going to connect as paul@test.com. Right, let's add a building. I'm going to put in the Chrysler building as a favourite building. And we'll submit that. Okay, that's added. And if we do a search, I'll just type building. And there we go, we've got it there. So what we can do is we can restrict this user, paul@test.com, from using either the search or the entry form. So what I'm going to do is go back to the restricted users page and I'm going to put paul@test.com and we'll add that. So Paul is now in the restricted list. So if we want to use the restricted list, we must tick the check against restricted users in the entry only field of the database or search we wish the restriction to apply to. So I'm going to quickly show you that. Right, let's do a couple of things. Let's add a building. It's a building in London. Let's search on that as well. Let's search walkie. There we go, there it is. What I'm going to do is I'm going to prevent paul@test.com from adding any buildings. So right now we saw that Paul was able to add walkie-talkie. So we're going to go to that database. Database 1. So under entry owner email address, we have to tick this box and we'll give them a message as well. We'll put something rather unprofessional in for the moment because we're just messing around. Okay, so if we now try and add a building, let's add the Louvre. And we'll submit that. And we'll see that we can't do that. But we should be able to search on any building. Now I know that the Hoover building's been added more than twice, so there's probably an access restriction somewhere. So let's go and have a look. So in the database itself, let's go and have a look at access control. Here we are. And viewing is set to private, so I'm going to change that to public. Which now means when we perform a search, we'll find everything rather than just items we've added. There we go, second page, and we've got a picture there. Yeah, that's a picture of the Hoover building.